What's up, guys? Today's another video of me how to get more keys in Subway Surfers, and you can do these tips every day. If you do these tips every day, I will assure you that you could get 10 keys every day. And like 10 keys every day. I will assure you. It's true. Okay. First, watch the daily ad. Every day you'll get keys for doing this. And if you just want to watch one ad a day, you can get 3 keys. But if you want to watch 5 ads a day, if you want to watch 5 ads a day, you could get up to 6 keys. And by doing that, it's really cool. So after this ad, I'll show you what platform you come on. You come on this, and you need to watch 4 ads a day, actually, not 5. 1, you got 3 keys. The second, you got 1,500 coins, and you got Super Mystery Box on the third one. The fourth one, you got 3 keys. So that can make you get 6 keys a day. And let's just keep watching ads until we get till 23 keys. The 3 keys push me up to 20, and another 3 keys is gonna push me up to 23. So that's actually a really cool technique. We haven't got 23 keys yet. We're on the third ad, and we've got this tap for more. No, silly adverts. Guess you have to watch them sometimes to get more keys. Okay, now we can get 6 keys with this advert, and we can get 6 keys with this advert, and oh man, have to wait for it though. But I guess I'll just keep going, waiting. Oh, this ad is so boring. We're so boring for this ad. I'm waiting for this ad today. Oh yeah, we got 23 keys, like I told you. You can see. Okay. The next tip, the second tip is right here. That's also another tip. It doesn't help me to get this, but keep pressing this, and in 10 minutes, keep pressing Mystery Box. And in 10 minutes, I will assure you that you'll have 8 keys in 10 minutes. I tested it out. It's still kind of boring. But every time you get a key, if you want to get 8 keys, you have to double up with ads for the 2 keys. So that will be the easy way for you. Okay, so let's go to the another tip. The another tip is to keep unlocking these different things. I've been unlocking a lot of 10s recently. I've been getting a lot of keys to get loads of characters. Letter chaser, letter mission master, mystery maestro, Super Mystery Master of Keys, I Got the Power, Coin, Courteous, No Acrobatics, Straight Ahead, Super Jump, Trophy Hunter, and Super Trophy Hunter. I've done like all together. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've done 12 missions. Achievements. And another thing is to keep watching the ad to get like these, and you get a super mystery box every time. Make sure you come to score multiplier 30 of 30. I don't use any hacks or glitches, just to let you know. Because if you think I've got hacks or glitches, totally haven't. I'm saving up event coins. I've seen how useful they can be. So yeah. I don't know why I just unlocked that board. I shouldn't have done that. Wasted a lot of coins. But there's a video how to get more coins in one of my videos. Hope you watched that one as well. Bye guys. Hope you had a great video. AGP Gaming Apple Gameplays. AGPGG. Bye guys.